Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove the Buy It Now button from your product page. If you want your customers to go through the regular add to cart process instead of skipping straight to checkout, this quick change will help you keep your store's buying flow simple and under control. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store. Simply click Online Store in your Shopify dashboard. Once you click this, the page will update. Now, in the Dawn theme, we need to click Edit Themes. On the editing page, to remove the Buy button, go to the upper part, which is the home page, and then navigate to Products. Once you are in Products, click on Products. You will see your list of products here. On the left side of the page, pick the Product Information section. As you can see on the left, there is a template. Click this drop-down. Here, you can see the Buy buttons. Click this drop-down button and look for the Dynamic Checkout option. This is where the Buy It Now button appears. When we click the eye icon, it will hide the button. Now, the Buy It Now button has disappeared. That's how we remove the Buy It Now button from the Dawn theme in Shopify. It's a simple adjustment that helps us control how customers move through the checkout process.